Electrum Crypto Wallet Review. Watch before using. In this video, we're going to dive into an honest review of the Electrum Crypto Wallet, one of the most trusted and secure wallets in the cryptocurrency space. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, Electrum offers a robust and versatile wallet solution designed with advanced features tailored for serious crypto enthusiasts. Electrum has been around since 2011 and is highly regarded for its lightweight design, speed, and low resource usage. It's an open-source software wallet, which means it's transparent and continuously updated by its community of developers. One of its standout features is its customizable fee structure, allowing users to prioritize faster transactions by adjusting the fee they're willing to pay. This flexibility makes it especially useful for Bitcoin users, but it's worth noting that Electrum primarily supports Bitcoin and its network, with limited support for other assets through plugins. When it comes to security, Electrum doesn't disappoint. It allows for multi-signature support, ensuring that your funds are safe, even if your private key is compromised. You can also use it in conjunction with hardware wallets like Trezor or Ledger for an added layer of protection. Additionally, the wallet supports two-factor authentication and encryption of your private keys, making it a solid choice for those who prioritize security. Electrum is made for users who value control and security over simplicity. It offers a wide range of features that cater to advanced users, like the ability to create custom addresses and add third-party integrations. However, if you're looking for a user-friendly wallet with a lot of hand-holding, you might find Electrum a bit daunting. The interface isn't as intuitive as some newer wallets, and its reliance on technical knowledge might be a turnoff for beginners. In terms of usability, Electrum excels with its fast transaction processing. It connects to a network of servers, making it much quicker than some other wallets that rely on a blockchain sync process. This results in faster transaction speeds and lower delays, even during busy times on the Bitcoin network. Overall, Electrum is a fantastic wallet for experienced users who want complete control over their crypto and value speed and security. It's not the easiest option for beginners, but if you're looking for a wallet that combines power, customization, and security, Electrum is worth considering. Just be sure to do your research and understand the more advanced features before diving in.